Hey there! Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with helpful information on all things career-related. Today, we're diving into the topic of age requirements for getting a job. So, whether you're a teenager looking for your first job, or an adult considering a career change, this video will give you the ultimate guide to navigating age limitations in the job market. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the minimum age requirement to get a job. In most countries, the legal age to start working is typically around 14 to 16 years old. However, keep in mind that there are certain restrictions on the type of work and number of hours someone of this age can work. So, make sure to double-check your local labor laws before applying. Now, if you're a teenager and wondering what jobs are available to you, don't worry. There are plenty of options out there. You can consider part-time positions such as babysitting, pet sitting, yard work, or even working at a local store or restaurant. These jobs not only provide you with valuable experience but also help you develop important skills like responsibility, teamwork, and time management. As we move into adulthood, age requirements for jobs often become less restrictive. Many industries, especially entry-level positions, don't have specific age prerequisites. This means that as long as you meet the job criteria and have a strong work ethic, you have a fair shot at getting hired. So, don't let age limit your ambitions. There are, however, some industries that have specific age requirements due to safety concerns or legal obligations. For example, jobs in sectors like aviation or law enforcement generally require a minimum age of 21 or older. Additionally, certain professional careers like medicine or law may involve extensive education and licensing, which can often delay entry into the workforce. Remember, age should never be a barrier to pursuing your dreams and goals. Focus on acquiring the right skills, experience, and qualifications for the job you desire. Keep learning, networking, and building your professional portfolio. Your dedication, passion, and perseverance will take you far, regardless of your age. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to age requirements for getting a job. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and guidance. Thanks for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more career-related content. Good luck in your job search, and remember, age is just a number.